We're looking at ways to make your home safer this week, and that's particularly important if you have small kids around your home. You know, there's some very obvious things you can do, like adding child-proof locks to all of your cabinet doors, or maybe a child-proof lock on that refrigerator, because refrigerators are big enough that a small child could actually crawl inside and get trapped. But there's another hazard a lot of people aren't even aware of. It has to do with your stove, particularly a freestanding model like this one that millions and millions of homes across America have one just like this. And the problem is, if you open the door like this, I've even seen kids use this as a little step to get up to the counter, this can become very front heavy and actually tip over. And it's big enough that it can trap a child or even an adult. But even if it doesn't fall all the way over and you have boiling liquid on top, that can spill out and injure anybody that's standing around. It's a very simple thing that you can do to keep it from tipping over, and that's by installing an anti-tip bracket. Now, since 1991, manufacturers have provided these to be installed. Unfortunately, a lot of people just don't get them installed. So when you buy a stove, make sure that when it's being installed, that this is installed right along with it, whether you do it yourself or the service person from the company that you buy it from. But it's very important that this be installed. And basically, it just hooks into the leg on the back of the stove. It may be mounted on the floor or the wall, and it'll just prevent this from tipping over. If you don't have one of these, you can buy one at an appliance store or a home center. That way, you'll be sure that this isn't a hazard in your kitchen.